Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maris Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up Pausa VPN application on all Android devices for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open. I'm more than ready to receive all ideas from you guys. So let us start up our tutorial. Don't forget to like the tutorial. Don't forget to like the tutorial. Don't forget to share it to your friend. Please guys, like our video, please. So open Google Play Store, and then in your Google Play Store, you're going to download our application, which is Pausa, Pausa VPN. So take note of that app icon, take note of the app name, and after downloading, install and then open. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and community guidelines. After downloading, allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application. Make sure that you load some data bundles like 5 MBs, and then it will update itself, the servers, automatically. Once you load the data bundle, the servers will be updated automatically, because once you don't, you'll be seeing only one server. That is it. So the first step, we are going to come right here where we see those 3 dashes, and then after, we are going to look for the option of restore settings. This one. I want to start from scratch, and then after restoring the settings, change the theme. We're going to be using this theme, the light theme. Then after, we're going to come where we see this Airtel Morocco, and then in any country you are in, you're going to come from all to my network, and then you're going to be choosing your networks. Here I'm seeing only Airtel because there are networks, my IP address, there are networks on my IP address. Now for you in your country, you'll be seeing those networks for your country. Choose any of them and connect, but it must be working in your country. If they are not working, maybe they are blocked. Now if they are not connected, let us continue to this tutorial. Or if you don't trust them, let us continue. Now go back where you see all. I'm going to be showing you a faster server that will be connecting to. Then go back to all, and then you're going to come and look for this network. Let me show you guys. We have these networks. We have network 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Those are the networks I recommend, but more so I recommend that network at 2. Choose that one, and then before continuing to connect, don't rush to connect. As you see, we have no time. We're going to come where you see add time, and then add time by watching an advert. You'll be requested to watch an advert to get that time, and the advert will be loading. I'll pause the video for a moment. As you see, I've successfully got my time. Now I'm free to connect. By pressing the start button, it will connect automatically without needing more disturbance. It won't even disturb you. Now, what if it fails to connect? We're going to clear the app data, clear the app cake, restart the application, restart your device, turn airplane mode on and then off. Those are all troubleshooting steps you can follow. That is it. See you in the next tutorial. I sign out.